We'll guide you through how to make text pattern in Illustrator. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Begin by launching your Illustrator application. Once the program is open, go to the menu bar at the top of the screen, choose File, and then click New to create a fresh document. A setup window will appear where you can pick your preferred preset size, depending on the type of project you want to make. After selecting the size, click Create to open your new canvas. Next, select the text tool from the toolbar and start typing your text. Left-click anywhere on the canvas, then enter the words or phrase you want to use in your design. After the text appears, adjust the font style to match your preferred look and choose a suitable text color that fits your design idea. When your text is ready, continue by creating the pattern base that will shape the text. Using the available tools such as the shape tools, line tools, or pen tools, create a simple base pattern. In this example, use the rectangle tool to draw a rectangle on the canvas. Once the rectangle is created, adjust the shape with the selection tools, curvature pen, or other editing tools until it matches the base shape you want. After the base is finished, select both the shape and the text together. Go to Object on the menu bar, choose Envelope Distort, and then select Make with Top Object from the submenu. Your text will now automatically follow the form of your base shape. To build a larger design, duplicate the shaped text and place copies in different spots until a bigger pattern is formed. Continue adjusting the size and colors of the duplicated text so the overall pattern looks more attractive and balanced. You can also experiment with other combinations, such as using the curvature pen tool to create different base shapes. Take your time practicing with different tools and shapes so you can become more comfortable creating unique text patterns in Illustrator. As you continue practicing, try changing fonts, experimenting with colors, and combining several custom shapes to discover new pattern styles. Repeating the process several times will help you understand how each Illustrator tool works together and will improve your confidence when creating detailed and creative text-based artwork projects.